What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be going over this trade that I've just taken. I just thought I'd do a quick video. I haven't done one for a little while on YouTube. So first of all, actually, let's go over yesterday's trade. So this was yesterday's trade. This was also called out in the free Telegram. So here yesterday, this was the setup that I posted. As you can see here, 29th of August. Today's GJ trade idea. And then what ended up happening with that is we entered and price pulled back to our DOZ zone and tapped our break of support structure. Break of structure level, sorry, not break of support, break of structure level. And so once that level gets taken out for me, that is when I like to get out of the trade. So what happened was I moved stops to move my take profit to break even like that. So when price came up around about here, I just closed that trade at break even. I think it was around about a $20 loss. But I consider that a break even on my end, as price is pretty much there. And so you can see closed GJ at break even here, right? So I posted that was yesterday, a little bit further down. So yeah, closed break even here with a tiny loss. And then what ended up happening was, let me get rid of this alert. Price ended up pushing up into profit for around about 29-30 pips in profit. Obviously we closed the trade at that point, but the analysis initially was slightly correct. I still expected this move to happen, but not at this time, just a little bit earlier over here. But it did happen eventually, and then price sold off massively, broke this structure to the downside. Down here, as you can see, made a new low, broke out of kind of this level of structure right here, made a new low, and our price is trickling back up to the upside, potentially to test back in this level. That's why my stop loss, my take profit, sorry, is there. I'm like confusing my words today. So that's why my take profit is there, just in case price is coming up to do like a double tap of this area, and then continuing that move to the downside to create a new low down below this level right here. But yeah, today's trade, basically we just got that structure. Price made a clear support here, as you can see, some nice rejection, some nice bullish price action, and price starts trickling to the upside and starts to create that bullish structure. And then what happened was price came down, tapped into this DOZ zone, picked up liquidity, as we can see did over here as well yesterday, and as well over here on Monday, dipping down into the DOZ, picking up the liquidity and the volume, and then continuing bullish, picking up the liquidity and volume, continuing bullish. So I just thought, you know what, it's probably going to do that again. The structure's bullish. It's dipped down into this zone without breaking structure. We've got some nice bullish engulfing candle price action, and then price comes and breaks this previous high in this uptrend and looks to continue bullish. So that's where we entered. Stops just below this break of structure point right here, for around about 40 pips, and we went for a 37 pip, 40 pip take profit. So yeah, beautiful trade. Price pushed up with volume, created a small pullback, didn't come back to our break even level at entry, and then continue bullish. Very nice move here today in GJ. And like I said, called out in my free Telegram. As you see, we've got 582 people in here, and this was the setup today. Today's GJ trade idea, and then here we can see this is the aftermath. I just posted that. We got a few reactions in here, people liking the trades. So I'm also calling out swing trades as well. If you guys are interested in that, I did a little update video here on all my swing trades. I'll post where I'm looking. So this is obviously Euro USD on the daily and the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, looking for sales. Euro USD looking at potential sales from this zone with the right PA. For those of you who don't know what PA is, that's price action. Here, same thing with AUD CAD, looking for sales looking for buys, GBP CAD, CAD CHF, looking for buys. Wow, Euro AUD looking for buys, USD CAD looking for sales. So I'll post some swing trades in there as well. If you guys are interested in that, come over and check it out. But yeah, beautiful day. Wednesday, our first trade of the week. Sorry, no, we had the trade yesterday. What am I talking about? I'm literally losing my mind. So this was break even, but I mean, first like win of the week, first trade win of the week. So all in all, very happy. Again, look what we're anticipating here, right? Look at this move straight to the upside, right? We caught this move. We was in this move. When a lot of times people see moves like this and they go, damn, like what happened here? How could I have gotten this? I will teach you exactly how to get this move. If you guys want to learn, hit the link down below for the mentorship course. Jump on a one-on-one call with me. I will teach you everything I know. I will teach you my exact strategy. Well, you have to pick between swing strategy or scalp strategy right here on GJ. For scalp strategy, GJ is the only pair I trade. And for swing, of course, I trade every pair that there is available to trade, as long as it has good spread. So yeah, if you want to learn, hop on a one-on-one call with me. I will teach you everything about this strategy and how you can trade GJ and become a profitable trader. Trust me, with this strategy, you will become profitable. All right. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.